Here's a short video on navigating your main dashboard on Expert Pro. When you log into Expert Pro, you will be redirected to your main dashboard. Your main dashboard summarizes information from different parts of the platform to give you an overview. You can use the various elements available on the dashboard to optimize your use of the Expert Pro platform. At the top of the dashboard, you will find 3 trackers, one for mortgage renewals, one for activities, and one for birthdays. When you click on these trackers, you will see the option to edit the number of days you would like to track for, along with specific customizations. For the mortgage renewals tracker, you will see the option to track only for completed applications if you turn the toggle on. For activities, you will once again see the option to edit the number of days you track your activities for, and you will have the option to track activities that are only past due if that is your preference. For birthdays, you will have the option to edit the number of days you track birthdays for. On the right-hand side, you will be able to view your submission history. The submission history will provide you with an overview of your 3 most recent submissions, and the See Application button will take you directly into the respective application for easy access. Below your submission history, you will be able to view your client activity. This is where you will get an overview of your client's activities on the platform. For example, if your client starts a new application or uploads documents for you, you will be able to view the notifications here. At the bottom of the dashboard, you will find progress reports so that you are able to get a summary of your progress on the platform. You will be able to view your year-on-year applications, monthly closes, applications that are in progress, and applications that have been completed. At the top, you will find your dashboard calendar, which comes from syncing your email in personal settings. Watch our video on how you can sync your email address in Expert Pro so that you are able to view your dashboard calendar. On the left, you will find your main navigation pane, which consists of main headings and subheadings to help you navigate through the platform. That's how you can optimize your use of your main dashboard on Expert Pro.